I'm Andrew Butchard. I'm Manufacturing Director for the Soutter Medical. We make surgical power tools that are used in operations to remove bone or drill into bone and give the best possible outcome to our patients. We grow between 10 and 15% every year, and so that has a huge demand on our resources, our stock, and also our logistics and bringing parts into the building. Industore's lean lifts ensure that our customer gets a speedy and efficient delivery. We have a very high demand for our finished product. It is very, very difficult to try and keep up with that. All the times we're looking for extra space in which to be able to use for value added, where we can assemble products and we can build things and to get things out the door. And that has only been achieved by the fact that we've got the Industore lifts. We're able to fully utilise the space that we have. Knowing that Industore is a UK company and able to supply and also back up the product is very important to us. The quality of the product is excellent. We also have a responsibility to work closely with UK companies as well.
From an IT perspective, it allows us to pick items with a lot greater accuracy because everything we have is automated. So from sales orders taken upstairs right through to here, there's no manual intervention, everything's done electronically. When we were picking items manually, all of our products are packaged the same. At the end of the day, human error was a big problem we had, whereas now we do it all electronically. It completely eliminates all human error. We have a brand new warehouse going up in the next couple of years, and we are probably looking to get another maybe half a dozen lean lifts in because they are just so versatile.
We keep coming back to Industore because of their attention to detail and their technical knowledge and expertise. And that is a very close match for how we run our operations. We appreciate that expertise in our suppliers, and we want to work with those that can supply that.